So we are doing maths in that chapter number 6, example 5, which is there in the syllabus. Okay. So fifth question is that observe figure 6.30 and then find out angle P. Means afterwards we have to find out angle P. Okay. Now here two triangles are given ABC and PQR. First we have to find out which are similar to each other. Which angle or which side is similar to each other. That we have to find it out. Right. So let's first draw the diagram.
Okay, ma'am.
Let's start now example 5. Okay. Chalo. For one figure is given ABC, that is 80, 60 and that angle are also given. So let's draw this figure first. Here triangle ABC is given. Angle are given as 80 here. Here is given 60. Here 3.8. 6 and 3 under of 6. Here given triangle PQR, right? But here what you have to do, you have to give the name in such a way that the angles will be same. Means what will happen? Here BC is given 6 centimeter, right? Here PQ is given as a 12 centimeter. So what you will do? It is of double only, right? So you can say that BC is equal to PQ. So instead of this, we keep add down the PQ only. Right? Now what is given? AC is given as a 3 under top 3. Here PR is given 3 under top 3. So what we are going to do? Chal. Remaining, just remember this only first. Triangle ये complete करते हैं, फिर then we'll do this one. चल. Here angle A is equal to 80. B is equal to 60 is given. What about the C angle now? What is the angle of C now?
40.
40. How you have done? 180
Ma'am,
minus 80 plus
180.
60.
Ma'am.
Right? So 180 minus 140. You will got as the angle C is equal to 40. Right? In this,
Yes.
right. So here B is congruent to here P. Or not? No.
Yes, ma'am.
How? It is not possible. चल पहले ये congruency कर लेते हैं, then we'll discuss again. Okay. Now we know this about here angles are given. Okay. In this everything is given. Here nothing is given to us. Now we have to decide what is Z. Okay. So here what we will do? Now we have to go for the congruency. We have to go for the sides. So how we are writing the sides? Sides will become as a, we are taking the triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Right? We are taking the triangle PQR. ABC, triangle and PQR. So what can we write now here for this sides related? कुछ समझ में आ रहा है आपको?
मैम एक बार रिपीट कर दो ना.
ठीक है. हमें क्या? What we have to find out? We have to find out कि which is congruent to each other. Out of these three, we want at least two. Then we can consider the third one. So we have to find out the angle P is equivalent to the which of this angle. PQR में से किस कौन सा एंगल B से इक्विवेलेंट होगा? Then here C equivalent and from A, that we have to find it out. But how we will find it out? We have given the sides of both the triangle. So we are going to comparing the sides. We are taking the ratio of the sides and then we'll find it out how they are congruent to each other, right? So first what we are taking? AB. So now look, AB is how much is given? 3.8, right? And here it is of double, so we can consider R upon Q only, AB upon RQ. Getting it should be what will become 3.8, that is given AB, and here is given 7.6. So you will get 38 to 76. So you are getting as a 1/2, right? That will be same. Now we are going to find out comparing this BC. BC is given, so you are taking the PQ only. So BC upon PQ. So BC is given 6 upon 12 is equal to also 1/2. Right? Now we are taking this square root 1. That is what? AC. So I am writing here. AC upon. Here AC upon which angle will come? PR or RP. Right? So is equal to what it will become? 3 under root of 3 upon 6 under root of 3. This will be get it out and you are getting answer in the 1/2 only. Right or not? This you are going to get it. इतना समझ में आया सबको? Have you understood this much?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what we can write from this 1, 2 and this, we can write AB upon RQ is equal to BC upon PQ is equal to AC upon RP. That is clear to everyone? Because all the three are same, so we can write this AB upon RQ, BC upon PQ is equal to AC upon RP. That one is clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
So now we have to write it what? A, B and C is congruent to which one? So A is there. So A with what will come? So A is related to the R. So here instead of A, we can write R. Now instead of B, what can we write now? See, here A is related to the R. I am taking out this one also, R. Right? C instead of the C, P will come now. C की जगह पे क्या आएगा? P. Getting? तो C की जगह पे P हमने ले लिया. Now B के रिलेटेड क्या होगा? Q. Here also is coming PQ and here also coming PQ. So angle what will become? ABC is congruent to PQ. Sorry, RQP. Getting this one? How we have written?
मैम PQR नहीं लिख सकते हैं.
देखो P रिलेटेड कौन सा होता है? Here P is there, RQ is there, right? AB is related to P, RQ, not P. P is not here. So how can we write instead of AP?
Yes, sir.
Right? यहाँ पे क्या है? A is related to the R only. Here also A is related to the R. Right? Both आपको दोनों में देखना है. If it is coming same in both, then you can write consider that one. B consider is Q. Here also for B Q is given. And for C here P is given and here also P is given. Like this we will get the congruency. So here ABC is congruent to the R, Q and P. Right? Now here we know that angle C. Right? But angle C is congruent to what? Angle P now. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
हम
ma'am.
किस में लिख सकते हैं?
Yes,
Angle
ma'am.
A is equal to angle R is equal. Angle A कितना है? 80. So angle R will be also 80 now. Angle R will be of 80. Clear? Now angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to what? 60 will become now. Right? So angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to 60 will become. And then last angle C is equal to angle P is equal to, we can write now 40. So this angle will become as a 40. Now clear to everyone? So our answer is this one. Angle P is equal to
Yes, ma'am.
40 degree. Are you getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
The question is said a girl of height 90 centimeter. So a girl है, her size or height will be 90 centimeter, is walking away from the base of a lamp post at the speed of 1.2 meter per second. If the lamp is 3.6 meter above the ground, find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. So here you have been given the diagram, but if it asks in the exam, the diagram will not be given. Right? अभी आपको means just now it is given. So from the diagram you can say that AB is the height of the lamp. Right? It is given in a textbook only. AB is representing the height of the lamp and the girl is walking up to which side? BC. B D के साइड में walk कर रही है. Right? And after 4 seconds we have to find out the distance. So here this diagram is said that is 90 degrees given, right? Height is 90 centimeters. So what we are going to do? It is like a 9 chapter that we have done. Here AB, that is the height of the lamp. Now here the size of the girl is height also is right? So here we give the D, E, here E and here C is given. Height of the girl is given centimeter. What? 90 centimeter. So here we can say CD is equal to 90 centimeter. Height of the curve will be 90 centimeter. Now what is given? In 1 second it is traveling 1.2 meter. So it is given now. Girl is walking away from the base of a lamp post of a speed of 1.2 meter per second. So while it is going on this way, in 1 second it can be traveled 1.2 meter. Right? So what we can write? He has to go over here now. So we can say that BD is equal to 1.2 into 4. So 4 seconds walk कर रही है. So 12 4 जा 48 meter will be there. That is distance of BD. Okay, understood this much? I'm going to explain you everything. Okay, so here what is given? Here two triangle will be happen. Here height of the lamp is given 3.6 meter, right? Here from this she is walking, and the 4 seconds she is walking, and in 1 second she can walk 1.2 meter. So we can say that in 4 seconds she can walk 1.2 into 4 is equal to 4.8 meter. Right? Now she has to go this side. Means he has to cover this x kilometer less. Now here it becomes the second diagram, the second triangle, that is C, D and E. Here the height of the girl is given 90 centimeter. So we can say CD is equal to height of the girl, and that is equal to 90 centimeter. But 90 centimeter is equal to what? 90 upon 100 meters. So we can say that it will become 0.9 meter. That will be the height of the girl. 0.9 meter.
मैम 100 कैसे आया?
Height
100.
100. See, as you know, now 1 meter is
Yes,
equal to
ma'am.
100 centimeter. So we have here 90 centimeter. So what will become? To find the meter, 90 into 1 of 100 centimeter, right? I come with
Okay.
only meter, centimeter converted into the meter only. So divided by 100. Now we have two triangles. These two triangles are there. Triangle ABC and triangle here C. Sorry, ABC or not. Triangle. What big triangle will come first? Which triangle we are going to consider
ABE.
now? ABC will not do.
ABE.
Right. First whole triangle, that is ABE. Right? Whole triangle. And second we are taking this one triangle, that is CDE. Right? Now what is given to us, that we have to take now. Here AB is given. Right? AB what is given? CD. So we are taking as AB upon CD. Right? Next, what we are taking? Whole upon this whole only. Right? So we are taking as a BE upon BE. Clear to everyone? ये समझ में आया ना? Here we take an AB
Yes.
upon C.
Yes, ma'am.
And BE upon DE. Now putting the value. AB is equal to what? 3.6 upon CD is given 0.9 is equal to BE, that is given 4.8 plus X. Right? Total we have to do. It become 4.8 plus X. What will become? And here DE is given only X. Right? So here decimal we are going to remove it. It becomes 36 upon 9 is equal to 4.8 plus X upon X. So 9 4s are 36. Okay? Here understood, and here both the decimals are there. And the same place value is there. So we are taking out 10 directly, and we get 36 upon 9. So 9 4s are 36. Okay? So now cross multiplication. What will become 4 into x? Will become 4x is equal to. So we get 4x is equal to 4.8 plus x. Clear? So 4x minus x is equal to 4.8. So 4x minus x is equal to what? 3x is equal to 4.8. So x is equal to 4.8 upon 3. What will become? 16 3s are 48, right? Right or not? Or you can do 48 upon 10 into 1 upon 3. So 3 16s are. So 16 upon 10 is equal to 1.6. X is equal to. And that answer will be in a meter only. Right? So what can we write? कि 4 सेकंड आफ्टर 4 सेकंड्स ही हैज टू गो 1.6 मीटर. उसका शैडो की साइज क्या होगी? 1.6 मीटर. Okay, that last statement you have to write that the shadow of the curl after walking for 4 seconds, या तो वो 4 सेकंड वॉक कर लेगी, then the shadow will be 1.6 meter. Okay, is there a doubt now?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now exercise 6.3. State which points of triangle in this given figure 6.34 are similar. Write the similarity criteria used by you for answering the question, and also write the pairs of similar triangles in the symbolical form. Means you have to represent in the symbolical form which criteria is there, that, and which sides are equal to the another side, or which angle are equal to another angle. That we have to write. First is given and samely is given. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR is given. So it is congruent.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, because everything is similar to another triangle. So we can say that here angle, angle and angle criteria is there. Right? All three angles are there. So here angle, angle and angle criteria is there. So what can we write? A is equal to P is equal to 60. Are you getting or not? So here two triangles are given. Here A is given ABC and here PQR. Here is given 60, 80 and 40. Here also 60, 80 and 40 is given. So as we know, here A criteria is there. Okay. Now which angle is there? So angle A is equal to angle P is equal to 60 degree. Here angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to 80 degree, and here angle C is equal to angle R is equal to 40 degree. Now, so which is interrelated? So we can say that what triangle ABC is congruent to triangle A is congruent to P B is congruent to Q, and here C, that is congruent to R. So we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. By which criteria? By AAA criteria.
Angle.
Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now second is given. Now second is given ABC and PQR, which are same or not?
Ma'am, same. BC is
हाँ, BC is equal to PR, है ना? हाँ. So what you have to do now here?
or AB is equals to.
हाँ, ये आपको उसका दिखा देती हूँ फटाफट. Here sides are given now. That's why you have to go with that what? Ratio you have to take now. Then only you can consider it properly. 5, 4 and 6 is given. So what you are going to take? AB. AB upon what you are going to take? Double of AB is QR. So take QR only. Right? So 2 upon 4 is equal to 1 half. Similarly take BC. BC upon what you are going to take? 5. 2.5 double is 5. You are taking PR. So is equal to 2.5 upon 5 is equal to also 1 half. Similarly you take AC. AC upon what you take? 6. So it becomes PQ. So it becomes 3 upon 6 is equal to 1 half. Yes or no? Now what you have to compare? You have to compare now AB upon QR is equal to BC upon this PR is equal to AC upon PQ. Right? 4 minutes ago. Now what you will do? A is similar to what? Q is there. So you are
Yes.
adding A, B, C is equivalent to with A is equivalent to Q. So first we are adding Q. Now B is equivalent to R and rest is P. So B is equivalent to P and C is equivalent to P. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is which criteria is there? So here side criteria is there. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you try for rest?
Yes, ma'am.
Just try. Otherwise, we will solve it tomorrow. Okay? But that will be your homework. Try to complete yourself only. If angles are there, then you can go directly with this. And if sides are there, then you have to find out these ratios. Clear to everyone? हाँ.
मैम
हाँ.
जो लास्ट वाला है वो हम एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी से कर सकते हैं ना?
हाँ, कर सकते हो. वही करना है. 180 कर लेना टोटल. Then you can just sign it out this first one. इसके जैसा करना है.
ओके.
ओके?
हाँ हाँ.
चलो. ट्राई.
मैम नेक्स्ट पीरियड किसका है?
संस्कृत.
अच्छा, संस्कृत.
हाँ. नहीं, आपका संस्कृत है. I have to check. Just a minute, हाँ. 2 minutes are there.
ओके.
9th में संस्कृत है, आपका SS है. लेसन नंबर 13. पर 13 के बदले आपको वही चैप्टर होगा जो आपका बाकी है, राइट? इंस्टेड ऑफ 13 चैप्टर